There's not a cloud in the sky. Are you ready to go camping? Millie, Snowy. Snowy's all belted up in his seatbelt.
How much fuel you got?
You ready to go camping, Bear? Yay! All ready.
I'm sick of this. It's coming loose on that trailer, so I fucking fizzle. Find its way.
We're missing the... Do you know what we forgot?
Oh.
Our pedestal fan. I just seen Mum's there. Last year we had that going all the time.
There's a mini fan in there.
Oh yeah, that heater.
Oh, is it a heater, is it?
Wonder if it might be a fan too. I don't know, last year it got so hot. I was pregnant though, it might not be as bad.
I'll roll it out for you. The next time I use it, I'll just roll it out on the street.
Hey, where's the GoPro gone?
Oh, I put it there for the dragons.
Lily. Hey. Hey. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah. You probably want a bottle. Hey.
Which way do you want it from?
You can't get picked up.
You just set the colours.
Yeah, where's the colour?
There, on there, green. So that's green, so you just find all the green ones and they go together. And then there's blue, yellow.
This is next level.
Come on, Dean, work it out. You're supposed to be the Aussie camper.
Yeah, and a polis setups is how I camp. This is all new. My campsite would have been set up by now.
Dean doesn't like this setup.
Huh?
Too many poles, too many colours.
a cool awning around.
Too much going on.
Dean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, he just said, why don't we just buy some more land and then live out of this house?
It's a house.
Well, you're going to be camping in style while you're in New Zealand.
Why are you laughing, Stacey?
Styles, you reckon?
Yeah, mate. It's only luxury around here.
Yeah. Fuck, how many different colours are there? The whole freaking set of the rainbow.
Come on, Dean, you got this.
I don't think I do.
Push it back. Oh no.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter?
Drink your bottle.
Over there.
What you doing, Bubba? You've been a good girl.
Oops.
You got your bird feed? Your budgies? This is physical labour that I'm not used to. Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
Now, this is
You're
insane.
a painter.
No, he's a boss.
He still paints.
No, he doesn't. He talks to me while he fucking watches them paint.
Hey, Snowy.
Knackering, mate, knackering.
Millie! This is our camping setup so far. We bring our mattress because our weight on an airbed is not ideal. Millie's room. The boys have just gone to get some lunch and some drinks. Are they blowing up an airbed?
Man, I hope this one stays up.
Yeah, so do I.
Wait, I need the cord over here.
Oh dear.
Oh well, if it doesn't stay up, then Dean's sleeping on the floor. It's right, you have a nice comfy duvet. No sleeping on the ground here, Dean. He's snowy.
That'd be a bit fun.
That'll be fun. I'm coming to watch that.
Should have done the extension leads over there and done it in it.
Yeah.
Pinned this one down, didn't I?
Yeah, you.
This is a mint little tent.
I honestly think we'll have to push it, Sean.
Nah, you're good.
You reckon, bud?
Put it this way, me and Sean would have had it in there before, surely.
What?
Well, we went to Beach Hop, we would have had something in there.
I think it was this. I don't think we got. I'm pretty sure we pumped it up in there.
Good to go, mate.
Oh, it's way too big for the actual tent.
Nah, just push it down.
Hold on, let me get out.
Or turn it sideways.
Oh,
See?
yeah, there we go.
Oh my gosh, no room in your tent though, just bed.
There we go, sideways.
Get in there, big boy.
Oh,
Oh look, that's cozy.
Just
And you've
nothing.
even got room for your bag.
this shit is hectic.
This is waterproof though, like it won't get wet in here.
Yeah, it's fucking hot though, eh?
Yeah, but your windows are shut, you numpty. You can open
Yeah,
all these doors.
Because it was fucking raining.
You numpty.
Yeah, numpty. What the
Oh, you're a gnome.
That's right, I'm a fucking gnome.
Oh, budgie smuggler. He's got a rooftop tent.
Yeah, if we ever do this again, Sean, I'm buying a swag.
Oh my god.
I'm a still carry.
Oh my god, Dean, you just roll it up.
This is not the setup I
Look,
do.
there's the underneath, there's a clip under,
Oh,
yeah, and you just
yeah.
clip it round.
Fuck me.
How many guys does it take to put a door up? Is it hard to put up?
No.
You guys must have this whole site, even back there.
Yeah, yeah.
Should have put the tent like long ways. Look at that.
You've not seen that before, Stacey?
Nah. do you know when it's flat though? Is that it?
It's done. Mattress is already in there.
Is this able for me to stand on it?
Yeah, climb up in there.
Oh my gosh, this does not feel stable.
No, it's
Film me.
because the grass. Climb up inside.
Oh my gosh, how do you do this if you've been drinking, Hayden? Oh, it's actually huge.
It's fucking huge.
And it's got windows. Interesting. Did it come with the mattress?
Yeah, it's inbuilt in there. Stays
Hmm.
inbuilt.
How do you get rid of that thing hanging though?
What this?
Yeah.
Well, this actually extends out. I just
Oh,
need to
so-
pop that out. It's just optional.
Oh, so you can get up easy.
Yeah. But I probably won't bother since I'll be packing it up every day.
Excellent for Hayden, actually.
Excellent for me too. I just want a hard shell one.
Yeah, because it wouldn't even take that long. They pop 2 clips and then lift up.
Yeah, the hard shells are better again. Yeah.
The one I'm looking at's only got 2 clips. Undo the clips and then it lifts itself up and it's
Yeah.
done.
Yeah, they're fucking cool, like.
Yeah, they're just $3,300, I think it is.
Yeah.
That's the only issue.
Yeah, it must be a decent one. Shit, yeah. This part, yeah. How does this get set up again? I haven't even really used it.
Oh, you can push it right up, yeah.
You just flip these out.
Yep.
Sun just came out again.
And what does this do again? I think it's.
You put it in first and then you...
Yeah, push it up.
The hard one is. Drag up the throw and then that goes in. In there first, I suppose.
Yeah.
You have to put it in there first before you put that in, eh?
So you're still learning.
There we go.
I don't think he uses that bit.
Yep.
You have to lift it up first and then bring it down.
Yeah, I think you need to actually bring these over first.
You gotta lift the pole up first. And then
Yeah, I
bring it
think that's
down.
what we did. Lift it all the way up. So it's folded all the way up in there.
Because it would sort of go like that, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Then it would have to go on.